Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple earring. It's very easy. Our materials, I have Bicones. This is 3mm and this is 4mm. And I have 11O seed beads and earring hooks. And I'm going to use my size 11 beading needle. And this is the thread I'm gonna use. So let's begin. First, I pick up 6 seed beads. And I'm going to just leave a short tail. Then I'll pick up 9 seed beads. And then bicone. Then 1 seed bead. Bicone, I pick up 9 seed beads. And then the 3mm bicone. And then 1 seed bead, 3mm bicone. 1 seed bead. And then my 4mm. And then 1 seed bead. And then 3mm bicone. 1 seed bead. And 3mm bicone. So I have 9. And then 3mm, 1 seed bead, 3mm, 1 seed bead, and then 4mm bicone, 1 seed bead, 3mm, 1 seed bead, and 3mm bicone. And I'm gonna pick up another 9 seed beads. Then I'll pass through. My thread is coming out, and I'm going to pass through the first 9 seed bead. Then I'll pick up 1 and then skip 1 bead and pass to the next. Pick up another 1, skip 1 and pass to the next. Pick up another 1, skip 1 and pass to the next. Pick up another 1, skip 1 and pass through the next until then pass to the first seed bead, and then pick up 1, skip 1 bead, pass to the next. Pick up another 1, skip 1, pass to the next. Pick up another 1, skip 1, pass to the next. Pick up another 1, skip 1, pass to the next. Then pass through. then pick up 2, pass through, and pick up another 2, then pick up another 2, and then pass through, then pick up 2, and pass through, and pick up another 2, pick up another 2, then pass through, then pick up 1, pick up another 1, then pass through, pick up another 1, and pass through all the bicones again. Then pick up 1, then pass through, then pick up another 1, another 1, so my thread is coming out, then I'm going to pass through, I'm going to just make some couple of knots before I cut my thread. And guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. So I will just make some couple of knots on this thread, and then before I cut my thread. It's done. It's very simple. Simple and easy to make, and it's beautiful. Hope you like it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, and happy beading.